Girl, we finna die.
Say hi to the vlog.
But don't put her. Oh, busty ass. But hi guys. So like, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brooke. So today I'm going to be doing a vlog about the hurricane. Oh god, is my hair messed up?
Hurricane Florence.
Because it's on period. You know,
Yeah.
like me. Just kidding. But hopefully the power does go out so we can die and just get dead up.
Okay guys, we're in the car on our way to the store. We don't know if they're open or not. Stop, I get copyrighted.
I know.
Okay, but anyways, we're on the way to the stores that we don't know that's open.
Because they all close at 6 o'clock.
But we're on the way anyways, right friend?
Best friend.
But anyways,
anyway, like I'm trying to say, just make sure you click down and subscribe. Because, yeah, I need some cash rolling in.
and like she's getting
See
it.
this shoe?
Like, is anyone missing a shoe?
Somebody lost their shoe.
Someone lost his
That's a
shoe.
small size.
Call us at 81.
Get out.
1-800
Drive off,
find
drive.
my shoe. At the Dunkin'.
Bro, please.
So guys, we finally found a store that's open and it's public, so like we got all this stuff already. Shh. Dude, where are we? Publix. We're shopping is a pleasure. Guys, look at all these shows that are open. Oh my god. Which one wanna buy? Y'all, look at this shit. Guys, we're currently on the search for ice. Can't find any. We went like 1,000 places.
Hurry up. 4 bags. Is there bags of ice? No. I don't want that. Put it back.
So guys, we just came back from the store.
And
right?
we finna do a mukbang, so make sure you check that out on her channel.
Okay, and we got like these cupcakes too. Half vanilla, half chocolate. And then we got like chips. These barbecue ones and these Lay's, these plain ones. Same ones, and then they got these cookies. And Kinsey got a thing of croutons because she's
I
weird.
love croutons.
And then like, yeah, so bye.